Go ahead and share my screen here and get started with some trading for my account here. So as you guys can see, we are slightly down to start the day. Um, but at this point, we are looking pretty good in our account going forward. We can see that I only have three positions open at this point. But I'm looking to get into more positions. I do have a lot of buying power this Monday morning as my Google cash secured put did expire worthless last week. The first position I'm looking at for this week is on American Airlines. American Airlines has come up pretty drastically in the past month or so. Um, I still do like it going forward. Looking at the $12.50 strike price, collect $6 here. This is 0.5% return on the week for American Airlines. Next stock is on SoFi. SoFi has been doing incredibly well as well, up to 23 now. It did reach a peak of about 23 or 26, 25, 26 around there. But I do like it here around the $22 strike price, collect $14. This is just over 0.5% return on SoFi for the week. That was the second pick. Hims is the third pick. I did make a video about Hims last Friday. It is trading really low right now. I do think it will recover here pretty soon. Selling a $41 put just to be safe, pretty far out of the money, just because it is a very volatile stock and does move very quickly. So, $41 put on Hims, collect 0.5% here as well on this stock. Very solid position in my opinion as well. And PayPal is the next one. PayPal at 68. PayPal at 68. Collect $40 here on PayPal at the $68 strike price. PayPal has been very steady around this 67 to 70 range. And I think 68 is a pretty solid price if you can get in at that point. And lastly, Amazon at 225. Um, this stock has been performing very well after earnings. It dropped around 212 after earnings, bound 7 or 8%. Then they rebounded back up to around 232 and kind of dropped around 230, kind of hang around there. I think 225 is a good place to get in at this point. You can collect about 0.5% on Amazon here at 225. So those are the put positions I'm looking at for this week. If you guys do have any additional questions, feel free to drop them below. Love to attempt to answer them for you. I do have a lot of buying power here, so I'm looking to get into some of these puts. Trying to figure out which ones I want to do at this point. Um, but at this point, I think I'm okay for now. Um, but we'll see when in maybe an hour or so when the market kind of steadies out a little bit. Um, Everything's kind of coming down a little bit to open the day. So, um, if you guys do have any other questions, feel free to drop them below. Love to attempt to answer them for you. I sell cash secured puts and I sell covered calls to earn 0.5% to 1% return per week. Um, Robinhood, I've had 100 shares for a while, got in at $57 per share. I've been holding these shares for an incredibly long time, a couple months now, and I continue to just have this $80 covered call. So we're rolling this position up as the stock continues to move up as well. Tesla, TSLL, I do have 400 shares still as well. Waiting to sell covered calls around 16. Um, Kraft Heinz, been holding that for a while. American Airlines looking to get into a covered call here actually. I'm in at 13.75. I think I can get in at a $14 covered call here. Collect $7. I'm gonna go ahead and do that with two contracts. Collect $14 here on American Airlines. Get that filled. Snapchat still recovering. Um, SoFi I do have a $25 covered call filled already. Chipotle, I have a $46 covered call filled already. Hims, I'm just dollar cost averaging. I only have 13 shares at the moment. Um, as it goes lower, I am buying more. I'm just going to go ahead and buy two more shares here. So to make it 15 shares. Cool. So I have 15 shares now. Average is now 47.84. Um, so yeah, just continue to average down on the games. But yeah, those are all the positions I own right now. If you guys do have any additional questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. But besides that, thank you guys for joining the Premium Mentorship Program session today. I will go ahead and upload this recording to the file so you can watch this later. But other than that, thank you for joining, and I will see you guys in the next one.